Greetings, fellow wellness seekers, and warm welcome to Green Man Wellness, where ancient remedies are brought to life. Today, we're going to take a fascinating journey through time to explore how ancient cultures detoxed their bodies. Detoxing is not a modern trend. Our ancestors were masters at using natural methods to cleanse the body and restore balance. Let's dive into how ancient Egyptians, Greeks, Chinese, and Native Americans approached detoxification with their wisdom of herbs, rituals, and diet. The ancient Egyptians were some of the first recorded practitioners of detox. They believed that maintaining cleanliness both externally and internally was essential for health. Detoxification for them often involved the use of herbs and dietary changes. One of the key detox herbs the Egyptians relied on was garlic. Known for its potent antibacterial and antiviral properties, garlic was consumed regularly to cleanse the blood and ward off illness. They also used castor oil as a natural laxative to purge toxins from the digestive system. Fasting was another method they employed. Egyptians would engage in periodic fasting to give the body a chance to eliminate waste and restore balance. In ancient Greece, detoxification was closely tied to their philosophy of balancing the humours: blood, phlegm, yellow bile, and black bile. If these humours were out of balance, illness would follow. To restore balance, the Greeks used a combination of diet, herbs, and physical therapies. Oregano and thyme were popular detox herbs in Greece, used for their antibacterial and purifying effects. Hippocrates, the renowned physician, advocated the use of these herbs in hot teas to cleanse the body of impurities. Hydrotherapy was also a key part of the Greek detox routine. Public bathhouses were a place for people to sweat out toxins through steam baths, followed by cold plunges to stimulate circulation and cleanse the skin. Traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, has always focused on the body's ability to detoxify naturally through the liver, kidneys, and lungs. Ancient Chinese practitioners believed in supporting the body's natural detoxification systems using herbs, acupuncture, and dietary changes. One of the most popular detox drinks in ancient China was green tea. Rich in antioxidants, it was believed to help the body eliminate toxins and improve digestion. Another popular herb was dandelion root, which was used to support liver health and detoxify the blood. Acupuncture was another key element in Chinese detox practices. It was used to balance the flow of energy, or qi, in the body, ensuring that the detoxification organs were functioning optimally. Native American tribes across the continent had their own unique detox practices, often rooted in spiritual cleansing as much as physical. Sweat lodges were a common practice used for both detox and purification rituals. Sweat lodges involve sitting in an enclosed space heated by hot stones, causing the body to sweat profusely. This was believed to rid the body of impurities, clear the mind, and bring spiritual clarity. Sage, an important herb in Native American culture, was used for smudging, a practice of burning sage to cleanse the air and the spirit. The smoke was thought to drive away negative energies and toxins. These ancient detox practices remind us that the art of cleansing the body and mind has been a part of human culture for thousands of years. Whether through herbs, fasting, or rituals, our ancestors knew the importance of ridding the body of toxins and restoring balance. By looking back at these traditions, we can gain valuable insights into how we might incorporate natural detox methods into our modern lives. I hope you enjoyed my presentation on ancient detox methods and learned that the act of detoxing is much more than a modern trend. Please subscribe to our channel to help us reach more viewers.